Now it's time to move into the kitchen where Chef Shaul shares his recipe for this delicious shakshuka, a traditional Israeli dish that Shaul serves with a French twist. First, red onions are sauteed in butter until golden brown. Then add garlic, spinach, cream, salt and pepper, eggs, cascaval cheese, and finally truffle oil.
Let's do it.
So what's the first step?
We take a little bit butter.
A little bit of butter. Wow,
Yeah.
quite a lot of butter.
A little bit.
Is that a little bit in Israel?
It's okay. If you want to make it healthy, don't use butter. Use olive oil.
Some olive oil, yeah.
It's okay. It's no problem. Onion.
Some onion.
Yeah. White or red.
In this case, red.
Yeah.
Smells good, the butter.
Yeah.
So we saute that up.
A little bit. Golden brown.
Golden brown. So what is the next step?
Garlic.
Right.
A little bit garlic.
I like garlic when it's sliced.
Everything I use with garlic.
Yeah,
Even in the chocolate I put garlic.
No.
No, I'm joking.
No.
I joke. But I make some dessert with chocolate and I put pepper and chili a little bit.
Chili and chocolate is great. It's become pretty popular recently, but it is something which is very ancient, you know, with chocolate and the Mexicans and chili. For many...
No, now it's the small word.
Oh, for sure.
Give me the spinach,
The
please.
spinach, chiffonade, as
Yeah.
they say in French, finely chopped.
Yeah.
So the butter here, is this butter local or
From the north of Israel.
from the north of Israel? Yeah?
But it's more or less in this area. Give me the cream, please.
Cream.
Yeah.
There we go. Cream inside. Shall I put all of this? Or?
No.
Huh?
I tell you.
How's that? A little bit.
Look nice.
Looks good.
Yeah. Pepper, salt, please.
Okay. Shall I put this? Some pepper.
Yeah, my guess.
Salt.
Yeah, salt.
Salt.
Yeah.
Some pepper. I like pepper.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So shall I break the eggs in?
You're my guest and you make it.
So how many eggs do we put in here?
Yeah, 2 for me, 2 for you.
There we go.
Wonderful.
That looks good.
Pepper, salt for
the eggs?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit of there we go. A little bit more salt.
Almost ready.
Almost ready. Wow.
Ready. Now we take the kashkaval cheese.
The cascaval cheese.
Yeah.
And this is local cascaval. no?
Yeah.
Just like this?
Yeah.
Wow, this is so good.
Good.
How's that, chef?
Yeah, you're perfect.
More cheese
You're
or?
perfect. Enough.
It's enough. We don't get too cheesy.
It's enough.
Wow.
Very nice.
And that's going to help thicken the sauce a little bit as well, isn't it?
This is nice.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Smells good.
Now it depends how you like the egg.
I like mine sort of a little bit runny.
Oh, so I
almost
close the fire. Give me a little bit truffle oil.
Oh, some truffle.
Yeah,
Okay,
truffle
some
oil.
truffle oil.
A little bit for
For the eggs.
to feel good, you know, to feel rich.
To feel rich.
To feel rich.
Wealthy Israel, very rich.
And you
That's
take
good.
it like this. You remember how to
I
eat
remember
it.
how you showed me.
Not with
But
cup, not with spoon, huh? Only
with
like
bread.
this.
But you know what? We don't have any bread, so I'm going to try it all the same.
Okay,
Is it a break of tradition with the spoon?
No, it's okay.
okay?
It's okay.
Well, you know, the breakfast this morning was so good that I just had to learn how to make this. So thank you so
It's
much.
very easy.
And as I said to you, I think this is going to be on my menu soon, huh?
Okay. I come to taste, huh?
So good. You have to make this one at home. Perfect for breakfast.
Good morning, Israel.
Good morning, Israel.